Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, you can see the upper Bollinger Band. You can see price starting to engage. It's about 8:31 in the morning. The market liked the CPI number. They liked the average weekly earnings number, and it's going up now to make a new Globex high, and it looks like it wants to challenge yesterday's high up at 28.05 quarter. This will also engage the upper band, so you can see, you got 3 days of engagement with the upper band. That's an upper band ride. The bulls can use the compression of the last few days for expansion, and they can expand price to the upside. The reality is, the next logical target is going to be where the breakdown came from. The breakdown on the 2nd of February was from 28.31. I remember because we shorted against 31 at the time things started to break down. So 31 would be the next logical target if they can clear 05. What the bears have got to do, they need to have a similar day to what they had yesterday. You can see here it was rejected yesterday. We closed at 88 quarter, which is where we closed on Friday. They can let the bulls kind of, run it up a little bit if they can reject it and hold price down. The problem with yesterday was, as we head over to the hourly chart, we could not deal with right here, which is 83 to 84. Continued to be support. Now, it rejected nicely off an attempted move to get back up over 2800 right into the close, but you've seen this steady walk up all night, and this is the pop off of econ. So you see the hourly mid-band. It's basically in the 90, 91 area. The daily pivot comes in at 92.42. So 90 to 92 are going to be important. Then 83, 84. Ultimately, though, the bears are all noise. They are all bark, no bite, as long as we are above the weekly pivot there at 27.50. You can see the 05.25 high from yesterday. That's got to be converted really to support if the bulls are going to go ahead and try to reach for some of these higher numbers, okay? Yesterday was probably the most indecisive session we've seen in a while. I think that's a function of a couple of things. I think the bulls have taken this farther than they probably thought they could, certainly faster than they thought they could take it. I think the non-farm payroll rip on Friday and the trend up that followed was more than anybody was expecting. I wasn't expecting to have that big of a day on the long side. I really wasn't. And the bears are, for lack of a better word, traumatized. They have now just about given up 300 handles since the lows, and they've had the opportunity to hold every key area, and they haven't been able to do so. So as we get up into a big round number like 2800, it's natural to take a couple of days to kind of figure out what we want to do next. The bulls want to establish round number 2800 as support, and they want to take it up in the area of 2830, and then ultimately challenge the all-time highs. And unless the bears really focus and do something about it, that's what we're going to see in the coming days and weeks. You're going to get a replay of 2017. And I'm not saying that because I'm some kind of a permabull. I'm saying that because if the bears don't do anything about it, what else are we going to do? And based upon what I saw yesterday, when you get to a key area like 83, 84, and you have the opportunity, not so much in the morning as we kind of carve out a morning low, but when we revisited that area in the afternoon, and you go ahead and you start getting back to your same old bear tricks, creating matching lows, creating floors and things like that, we all know what follows. Dip buyers get emboldened, and we seek new highs. It's up to the bears to reverse that dynamic, and until they do so, we are well above the daily mid-band. Therefore, we are dip buyers until proven wrong. You can be short, but it's counter trend, and you've got to be short looking for the exit door. Ultimately, you're looking for dips to buy. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Catch us over on social. Ton of new people came in yesterday. Monday to go with all the people that have been coming in the last few weeks. It's a great time to start. It's a great time to learn with a lot of new people. We would love to have you, so come check us out. And if you do so, I will see you later. Everybody else, I'll see you in the room. Talk to you then. Trade 'em well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.